Hi, everybody. I am Chris, and you are on day 9 of your Move to Improve challenge. You have made it this far, and you are amazing. This is great. I'm so proud of you. So today we have HIIT. Now, you see HIIT, and everybody's like, and what does it mean? It means high intensity interval training. Now, don't let the high intensity freak you out, because different people are going to have different levels of what is intense for them. So for some people, this is intense, while other people, burpees and things on their hands and mountain climbers and all that kind of stuff, running is high intensity. Most workouts on YouTube that say HIIT are not actually HIIT. They're just using the timing of HIIT. HIIT intervals would be such high intensity that you'd only be able to do a few of them. And today we have 11 moves. I know that sounds like a lot, but we're doing them for 30 seconds each with 20 seconds of rest in between. We're going to do a quick warm up with 4 moves to warm up your body, and then we're going to get into them, and then we're going to take a quick stretch. You're going to love this workout. Do the best you can. If you only make it through 5 of the moves, that's better than only making it through 1, right? Do the best you can, and let's get started. Okay, so like it says in the description, you don't need any equipment for this workout. We're going to start with your warm-up, and your first move are shoulder rolls. We're going 30 seconds. Good. So you're going to roll your shoulders up and back. Good. Get up into those ears with them, and then press them down. All right? Good. So just warming up. Good. Bringing it up and down. So we have, again, 4 moves in your warm-up, and then we're going to get going. All right? You can do this. I know you can. Keep going. Up. Good. Now, take your legs out wide, and you're going to go side to side. Good. Your toes and your knees are pointing in the same direction, so you don't want your knee going that way when your toe is going that way, right? Keep going. Side to side. Good. And you might be up here, and that's your range of motion. You know it's okay. Like I say, you do you. Keep going. You got 10 more seconds of this move. Good. Keep your backs flat and your abs strong. And stop. Your next move. Your legs are out wide. Your hands are on your knees. And what you're going to do is round your belly button up towards your back and then bring it back down. Good. So round, and you're pressing your hands into your thighs. Good. So I want you to think of a cat, rounding the back, right? And then the arch. You see your cat or your dog waking up in the morning and doing that nice little rounded back stretch. That feels good to wake up your spine. I'm turning to the side so you can see. Good. Keep going. Good. Nice. All the way up. Next one, put your toe in front, and you're gonna tap, tap. So you're warming up your ankle here, okay? And if you want to, you can go side to side with it. You could go slower if you want, okay? Keep going. Tap, 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 tap. Good. Now let's just slow that down, and you're gonna go toe up and down, and toe up and down, and toe up. Keep going. 10 more seconds on this foot. Good. Good. So getting some blood flow down to the ankles and the feet. Good. And stop. So other side. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. This is still the warm-up. Keep going. And tap. Good. If you want to go side to side, you can. And you don't have to if you're like, what's happening, right? Right? Good. Keep going. Okay, let's slow that down. So go toe up, toe down, toe up, toe down, toe up, toe down. 2 more of these. 2 and 1. Good. So just march it out here. All right. We're going to go into your first move. All right. And it's going to be 30 seconds. And what you're going to do is march with your knees coming up high. Okay. So if you can't do that, just march regular. But see if you can get your knees up. In 3, 2, we go. Up, 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 up. Good. Now, you don't have to do any arms. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Up. Now, these could be slower. if you want them to be, okay? That's up to you. Take it at your level. You're moving. That's what matters. Keep going, keep going. Good. Stay with it. High knees. Try not to do this. Stand up tall. Good. Keep going. And the 30 is over. So now a 20-second rest. And your next move, you're going to tap, tap. All right? What you're going to do with that tap is bring your arms up. Okay? So it's a modified jumping jack. You're going to tap up, up. Are you ready? Let's go. You tap. Now, if you want to, you could do jumping jacks, but that's totally up to you, right? Tap. Tap. Good. Perfect. Now, if your arm's going up like this is too much, hands here, maybe bring them up in front, maybe do curls, right? Remember, you're getting stronger with every step. Good. Keep going. And you're done with that. So move 2 is over. Your next move, you've already learned squats in this program. So arms are going to be in front of your shoulders. You're going to squat down and press up. Okay, so it's going to be down and up. And here we go. Down and up. Good. So talking about the form, you're not going like this. Okay? Your hands come in front of your shoulders. Keep your heels in contact with the floor and make sure your knees aren't shooting forward, okay? So you might not have a big range of motion to start. Maybe you're just doing a little squat. That's okay. Keep going. Come on. Good. And stop. Whew. Good. Okay, so on these breaks, just move. Do the best you can. Your next move are going to be knee up. So we marched before. This time, you're going to curl, curl. So you're going to curl your arms, knee comes up. Ready? Let's go. Up, up. All right, so now if you're like, I can't get that coordination, go here. Maybe push, right? Keep going, keep going. Knee, knee, knee. It's about moving your body, right? Good. Seeing progress over the 30 days. And stop. Good. Next move. I'm just going to show you from the side. You're going to tap, tap. So you're not, it is a lunge, but you're just tap, tapping. And what you're going to do with your arms is push, push, push. You don't have to go fast. Ready? Here we go. And push, push. So I'm going to face you guys again. Come on. Give me a big fake smile. It's okay. Come on. Keep going. Tap back. Tap back. Good. Just keep moving, okay? If you have to march during this, that's all right. Keep going. And stop. Good. Very nice. All right. Now, adding another squat in. You're going to go to one side, up, other side, and up. It is not a lunge. It is squat, up, squat, and up. We're going to go to the right side first. Here we go. Squat, squat. Good, good. Think about your form here. Your abs are strong. You're not rounding down. You're sitting back with your backside. Sit down. Good. So you're bending your knees. Good. Down. Almost through this one. Whew. And this is move number 6, so you're more than halfway there today. Keep going. Good. Now this move's gonna get the heart rate up. We're gonna do one more to make it even. One more. And stop. Whew. Okay. Your next move. Hands up. Punch, 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 punch. On little angles there, okay? You're working your abs a little and your arms. Hands up. Here we go. Punch, 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 punch. Good. Punch. Nice. Okay. Nice. So it's a little bit of muscular endurance, working the arms. If it gets too much, you can do it in the front, or you could shake them out, take a break, and come up when you can, right? Come on. Good. You should know there's no shame in taking a break, right? It's what you got to do. You got to do it. Keep going. As long as you come back and know you can do it. And stop. Whew. All right. Next move. We did knees up. Now you're going to do double knees up. So you're going to put your hands in front and you're going to tap your right knee twice, tap your left knee twice. Okay? You can do this. You ready? And here we go. Tap, tap. So there's a little bit of balance in there. Keep going. Knee, knee. Okay? Now maybe you can't get your knee that high. Just do the best you can. Keep going. Up, up. Good. Lift. Knee, double knees. Good. Keep these coming. Come on. If you're sweating, it's perfect. Good. And stop. Good. All right. We're going to move number 9. Squat, lift your leg. Squat, lift the leg out. So you want to lift out to the side so you're working what's called your abductors. Okay? Breathing, hanging out for a second. And go. Down, up, down, up. Up, down, up. Good. All right. Now listen. Listen. This is move number 9. That means you only have 2 moves left. So if in your head right now you're like, Chris, I can't do it. I can't do it. I think you can. Don't turn off the video. Just keep moving and stop. Whew. Okay. Next one's kind of fun. You're going to bring out your inner disco. Okay. You're going to roll those arms. Or it's called hitting the bag. So what you're going to do is tap and tap. Okay. So breathe. In 3, 2, 1. Tap. 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 Good. Tap. Tap. You're just tapping your foot out. You're not... Okay, just tap it. Just give it a little tappy. Come on, tap. Good. Stay with it. Stay with it. And tap. I'm being very serious in this series. Sort of. Good. Keep going. Okay. All right. And stop. Okay. One more move. Can you do it? Yes, you can. Okay, so this is going to be fast. Fast knees. Okay? If you have it in you, you can run the knees. But that's not where I am right now, right? So, if that's where you are, then do it. Push hard. Ready? Fast knees for 30 seconds. Go. 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 Come on. Bring it up. You can do it. Nice. Come on. Halfway there. Finish this up. This is your last move. Come on. Come on. All right. And stop. Whew. Good job. But we're not done. We're going to slow down a little bit, right? I want you to just take 2 steps over, 2 steps back. Good. We get a little Paula Abdul. 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Over. Over. Good. So, did this get you past that fear of HIIT workouts? Toe taps in front. Tap your toe. Look at this. I'm just tapping and tapping. Okay? Right? Who knows? Before you know it, you might be doing burpees. Right? Keep going up. And in one of our workouts, we're going to give you lots of modifications for how we can do those burpees. Okay? Good. And you're like, what? Yes. Good. I don't want you to be scared. I want you to try, right? The best thing you can do is try because you never know what you can do. Okay. So, change it to a heel. Heel tap. Heel tap. Heel tap. Good. And heel tap. And heel tap. Good. And 4. And 3. Good. Now what I want you to do is put your right heel in front like this. Push your hips back, your left knee bends, and then put your hands on your left knee. So right here, you're pulling those toes up towards your face and you're giving yourself a calf stretch. Okay, hold it there. Hold it, really flex the foot. Good, come up, other heel in front. So left heel in front and come down. Good, push your hips back. Try not to go here. Try to lengthen your back. You're gonna get a bigger stretch in those hamstrings and calves that way. Very nice, good. Come up, whew, good. Okay, what I want you to do is put your left foot back, come up on the toes, and then squeeze your hips forward. Okay, so you feel the hips are coming forward. I just want you to reach your arms up, all right? And you should feel a stretch in what are called your hip flexors, right in the front of your hips, right there, hold. Good. And then push the back heel down and hold that stretch. Very nice. Switching sides, just swivel around, lift up onto the toes, back toes. Squeeze your hip forward, so you're squeezing your butt, and then reach up. Good. Hold. Perfect. Stay there. And push your back heel down. Good. Take it to the center. Fold forward as best you can. Maybe you're here and that's all you got, and that's cool. Good, stay there. Fold forward to whatever feels best for you. Let your head be heavy. Now bend your knees and just start to roll yourself up. Roll yourself up. We're gonna go into some shoulder rolls just like we did at the beginning. Excellent. Now, if you surprised yourself, in the comments of this video, I want you to write, I can't believe I did it, right? Or, wow, I'm so proud of myself, just like I'm proud of you. So give me a big breath in, hands together, bring them down to your heart. You rocked day 9, everybody. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. I will see you tomorrow for legs on day 10. Mwah. Bye-bye, guys.